Students, in the previous video you are learned exercise 3.12 first and second problem. Now third problem, x by 10 plus y by 5 is equal to 14, x by 8 plus y by 6 is equal to 15. Fourth problem, 3 into 2x plus y is equal to 7xy. 3 into x plus 3y is equal to 11xy. Fifth problem, 4 by x plus 5y is equal to 7. 3 by x plus 4y is equal to 5. Sixth problem, 13x plus 11y is equal to 70. 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Third problem, x by 10 plus y by 5 is equal to 14. It is in the fraction form. You have to make it as a standard form in the general form. That is, LCM is 10. So x plus for here multiple by 2 numerator and denominator, 2y by 10 is equal to 14. This 10 transposed to right hand side, so it's become a multiplication. 14 into 10, 140. Then x by 8 plus y by 6 equal to 15. So LCM is 24. So for into 3 by 3, so that is 3x. For here 4 by 4, 4y by 24 equal to 15. Now you have to make multiple. 24 into 15, that is 360. So second equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 360. Now we have to eliminate x or y. For first equation, multiple by 3. So that is first equation become 3x plus 6y equal to 420. It is called it as equation number 3. Now you have to consider the second equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 360. Now we want to eliminate any one of the variable. So for now 3 and 2 we get the same coefficient. So you have to subtract. It's become cancel. So subtract means the second one sign you have to make change. So that is, this is minus, this also minus, this also minus, these two cancel. So now 6y minus 4y we have to consider after changing what sign you have, that you have to consider for simplification. 6 minus 4 equal to 2y. 420 minus 360 is equal to 60. 1 2 is to 30 into 2, 60. So y equal to 30. Now you have to substitute y equal to 30 in equation number 1. That equation number 1 is x plus 2y equal to 140. So x plus 2 into 30 equal to 140. So x plus 2 into 30, 60 equal to 140. So this 60 you have to transpose this side. So x equal to 80. So y equal to 30, x is equal to 80. Fourth question, 3 into 2x plus y equal to 7xy. So this 3 is common for these two terms. So 3 2s are 6x plus 3y equal to 7xy. So now we need to bring the general form. So you have to divide it by xy. The whole equation divided by xy. So 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 7xy by xy. So x cancel, here y cancel, xy cancel. After cancelling we have 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 7. It is called it as equation number 1. Then the given second equation, 3 into x plus 3y equal to 11xy. So that is 3x plus 9y equal to 11xy. Same as the previous step, you have to divide it by xy. So x cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. After cancelling we have 3 by y plus 9 by x is equal to 11. Now we have the fraction form made. So you make it as a general form. So that is a equal to 1 by x. Let a equal to 1 by x, b equal to 1 by y. So it is written 6 into 1 by y, 3 into 1 by x. So it is 6a. The first equation is 1 by y is a b. So this is 6b plus 3a equal to 7. The second equation, 3b plus 9a equal to 11. So it is called it as equation number 3. It is 4. Now you have to eliminate any one of the variable a or b. So the fourth equation, multiple by 2. So that is 6b plus 18a equal to 22. Consider the third equation, just take and write. So that is 6b plus 3a equal to 7. It is called it as equation number 5. It is 3. So 5 minus 3. So minus means second term change the sign. So these two cancel. 18 minus 3, 15a. 22 minus 7 is 15. One time So a equal cancel, for these to cancel, a equal to 1. Now substitute a equal to 1 in equation number 3 for this equation. So 6b plus 3a equal to 7. So 6b, don't consider it is a 66. 6b plus 3 into 1 equal to 7. 6b plus 3 equal to 7. 6b equal to 7 minus 3. So 6b equal to 4. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are, 2 2s are 4. So b equal to 2 by 3. A equal to 1. A we consider as a 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. B equal to 2 by 3. B what we assumed? 1 by y as a b. So 1 by 2 by 3. So that is equal to 3 by 2. So x equal to 1. Y equal to 3 by 2. Next fifth problem, 4 by x plus 5y equal to 7. 3 by x plus 4y equal to 5. In the previous problem, both the variables, both the term we have a fraction. Here only one term we have a fraction. So let 1 by x is equal to a. So this is 4a plus 5y equal to 7. 3a plus 4y equal to 5. It is 3, it is 4. Now we have to eliminate a or y. So third equation multiple by 4. So that is 16a plus 20y equal to 28. Fourth equation multiple by 5. So 15a plus 20y equal to 25. 5 and 6. Now you have to subtract these 5 and 6. Sign get changes. The second equation sign get changes. So that is minus. So now these two become cancel. 16 minus 15 is 1. So that is a. 28 minus 25 is 3. A equal to 3. Now you have to substitute a equal to 3 in equation number 3. So that is 4 into a value is 3 plus 5y equal to 7. So 4 3s are 12 plus 5y equal to 7. So 5y equal to 7 minus 12. So the y equal to 5y equal to minus 5. So 1 time. So y equal to minus 1. A equal to 3. A we assumed as 1 by x we assumed as a. So 1 by x equal to 3. So x equal to 1 by 3. Y value is 1. So x equal to 1 by 3, y equal to minus 1. So the answer x equal to 1 by 3, y equal to minus 1. Sixth problem is same as the first two problem. 13x plus 11y equal to 70. 11x plus 13y equal to 74. It is called it as 1. It is 2. For we have to eliminate any one of the equation. Any one of the variable. So that is first equation multiple with 11. Second equation multiple with 13. So multiple with 11 means 13 into 11 143. 11 into 11 121. 70 into 11 770. It is 13 multiple by 13. Second equation 13 into 11 143. 13 into 13 169. For these to make multiple it is 962. Now for change the sign 3 minus 4. So change the sign of the second equation. So for these to become cancel you have to subtract these two. It is 169 minus 21 48. Greater number sign minus. For subtract these two you get minus 192. Minus cancel. So y equal to 192 by 48. First I used fourth table. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 4s are 16. Balance 3. 32. That is 8 4s are 32. Then 12th table. Y equal to 4. Now substitute y equal to 4 in equation number 1. 13, it is the equation number 1. So 13x plus 11 into 4 equal to 70. 13x plus 44 equal to 70. 13x equal to 70 minus 44. So that is 26. 113 is 13. 2 13s are 26. So x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Second question, the monthly income of A and B are in the ratio 3:4 and their monthly expenditure are in the ratio 5:7. If each says 5,000, find the monthly income of each. So that's first you have to find three is to 4 and monthly expenditure are in the ratio 5:7. If each saves 5,000 per month, find the monthly income of each. So that is their ratio. Income ratio is given, then expenditure ratio also given. So we have to using these two ratio, we have to find the monthly income for A and B. Let the monthly income of A and B be 3x and 4x because 3:4. That is for first one is A, second one is B. So then let the monthly expenditure of A and B, that is given as 5:7. So 5y and 7y respectively. Monthly savings for each, that is 5,000. It is given in the question. So for savings, for income minus expenditure is equal to savings. That you know, income minus expenditure is equal to savings. So first you have to make a first equation for A, second equation for B. So that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 5,000. 4x minus 7y equal to 5,000. Okay, now we have to simplify this. That is first equation multiple by 4, that is 12x minus 20y equal to 20,000. Second equation multiple by 3, so that is 12x minus 21y equal to 15,000. Okay, 15,000. Now 3 minus 4, get changes for the second equation. It is minus, it is plus, it is minus. These two become cancelled. 21 minus 20 is y. 20,000 minus 15,000 equal to 5,000. Okay, so y equal to 5,000. Substitute y equal to 5,000 in equation number 1. So 3x into 5 into 5,000 equal to 5,000. So 3x minus 25,000 equal to 5,000. 3x equal to this 25,000 transfer this side. It is a 30,000. So 1 3 is 3. 10,000 times it is. So x equal to 10,000. Monthly income of A equal to 3x. 3 into 10,000. Monthly income of B 4x. 4 into 10,000. That is a 40,000. Third sum. 5 years ago a man was 7 times old as his son. While 5 years hence the man's will be 4 times old as his son. Find their present age. Okay, 5 years ago, that is 5 years before and 5 years after their age are given. We want to find their present age. Now we have to consider, let the man's present age be x years and his son's present age be y years. For the first condition given, before 5 years ago the man's age was 7 times old as his son's age. So that is 5 years before their age is x minus 5. For son's age is, man age is x minus 5, son age is y minus 5. The condition is given, man's age is as 7 times old as son's age. So 7 into y minus 5. Condition number 2 is given after 5 years. It is before 5 years, it is after 5 years. After 5 years his age is x plus 5, man's age is x plus 5, his son's age is 4 into y plus 5. Y plus 5, the condition is given, man's age equal to 4 times son's age. So now you have to simplify x minus 5, it is 7y minus 35. X minus, arrange the variables on side, x minus 7y equal to minus 35. It become plus 5. So x minus 7y equal to minus 30. Called it as equation number 1. Now you have to simplify this. X plus 5 equal to 4y plus 20. So x minus 4y equal to 20 minus 5. This 5 moves this side. So x minus 4y equal to 15. Equation number 2. Now we have to simplify. For x minus 7y equal to minus 30. Now you have to subtract these two. We have the variable with the same coefficient. So you have to subtract these two. It is minus, it's become plus, it's minus. So cancel these two. It is 7 minus 7 plus 4. It is minus 3y. Minus 30 minus 15 minus 45. Minus minus cancel. 1 3 is 3. 15 times it is 15 times 3 is 45. So y equal to 15. Now we got to substitute y equal to 15 in equation number 1, that is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. So x minus 7 into 15, y value is 15 equal to minus 30. X minus, multiple these two, it is 105 equal to minus 30. So x is equal to this 105 transpose this side, that is minus 30 plus 105. So it subtract these two, is x is equal to 75. Therefore man's age is equal to 75 years, his son's age is equal to 50 years.